All right, for you guys out there that really want to know, truth be told, this was by far the most challenging main gear that I've ever tried to shoot up close like this. And you can kind of see, if you look at the surface of the gear tooth, which is that southern side, that's the wear area, it's mainly just polished, which is what you want to see. And there doesn't seem to be any premature wear, uneven wear, or anything out of the normal. And it's just so shiny, it looks like it's liquid metal. Now, keep this in mind as well. The main gear and pinion in this reel is the same that's going to be in the standard Spinfisher VI. This is a live liner. It's got some extra gobbledygooks inside to raise the price. But it's the same gear set you'll find in the lesser expensive reel. And that's pretty damn good. And that's coming from a guy that doesn't like spinning reels. Yeah. And I got to tell you guys, the Spinfisher VI that I've been fishing, man, I'm impressed. I really wasn't sure. After that first giant redfish that Elias put on this reel, and how soon he got on it after he had received the reel, I wasn't really sure how this reel was going to hold up. I'm actually kind of impressed, if I'm being frank with you guys. And again, saying that about a Penn spinning reel in 2018, that's not something I was figuring to say. But I'll be damned. Look at that. See if I can get a different angle. Maybe it shows up a little bit different. There is there is a slight bit of wear. You can almost see it if you look at around 2 or 3 o'clock. I put an arrow in when I edit the video. You can kind of see it. And get a little bit more angle. I think it shows up a little bit more prominently there. But that's damn good. That's a beautiful main gear. It really is. Good stuff. No more cast zinc. Not in 2018, 2019. Daiwa BG. You got your work cut out for you. And keep in mind, I'm not all about material. Size of the main gear, the cut of the gear teeth. That's just as important. And on previous budget Penn spinning reels, I didn't see this even of a wear pattern. So anything south of $200, it didn't look like this after even less use. And again, they were cast zinc, but they were just cut differently, cast differently. These are actually machined. So, all right. So enough of the uppy closey gear teeth stuff.